Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 module for SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup. Open the file, save it with a new name, and check your name in cell B6. Step 2. Update names. Delete loan_calculator and rename B8 to loan_amount. Step 3. Calculate loan amount. In B8, use equals price down_payment. Step 4. Define names. Create defined names for D4, D8 based on C4, C8. Step 5. Monthly payment. In D6, use equals PMT rate/12 term_in_months loan_amount. Step 6. Interest and total cost. D7 sad face monthly _payment *term_in_months loan_amount. D8 equals price plus total _interest. Step 7. Data table. In A12, reference D6. Create a two-variable data table for terms, D5, and rates, D4. Step 8. Formatting. Highlight matching rates in A13, A25. Add gold, accent 1 borders to A10, D25. Step 9. Scenarios. G10, use PMT for renovation. H4, use PV for 20-year loan. I11, use FV for 8-year future value. Step 10. Finalize. Set print titles, print area, and hide the properties sheet. Fix errors on equipment loan sheet and save. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.